Guys, welcome back to this exciting video tutorial. So as a continuation of part of our Atlas network tutorial, I'm going to be showing you, I'll show you how you can register your computer as a network provider on Atlas network. Remember, the Atlas network is powered by Node Ops, and we've been running it since early um, this year. So it has been active since early this year. So let's move into it and explore. So as part of the task, the quest, there are a series of quests to be done here. You can see them here. So I'm in the series of videos I will drop. I will take each one one after the other. The ones I will consider, the ones I will consider generally difficult or somewhat um, some what I think some people might find difficult doing. So I'm going to provide a video tutorial on them. So one of them is to as this register as computer provider. So let's go. So if you complete this task, you're going to get 1,000 node points. Earlier, I think what I did on the last video was telling you how you can. Yeah, the last video is here on my channel. The what I did then was telling you on teaching you on how you can restake on the engine layer tags. So now let's move on to register as a computer provider. So to register as a computer provider, this is what we're doing now. So you click here, you click on register. Let's connect our wallet. You remember I always use MetaMask, right? You connect, switch to our bedroom Sepolia. Okay, so you can just stake and you click on stake and become a provider. All right, I don't have enough to pay for fees, so I'm just going to fund my arbitrum Sepolia. Okay, so let's go ahead and so you have to make sure you are funded on arbitrum Sepolia. Okay, then let's confirm. Confirm again. So let's go ahead and check. Hold on. Let's check our status here and see if we are set. Quest not completed yet. Okay. So okay. I hope this goes through. Okay. This is through 005. Uh, it failed. Let's see. It has gone through. I don't know if you checked my MPs before. It used to be 90, and the 1,000 has been added. Is now 1,090 MPs. That's what I have on this particular account. So that's how you can register your computer as a network provider. And so, like I said earlier, when I started making this video on Atlas Network, I said I'll be making series of videos. So this is another series. So subsequently, in the next video, I will find out a pinpoint here for most persons, and then I will make a video on it. Then, if you have a pinpoint here on this Atlas testnet, you can as well send on the comment your pinpoint, like where you are finding difficult. I'll make a video tutorial on it, and that is it. So please, if this video is if you feel it's helpful for you and you've enjoyed it, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and turn on notifications for my future uploads. Thank you very much, and see you in the next